Hey Alexa, turn on the Weather Channel.
Okay.
The Weather Channel, in high definition, coming soon.
Here are your current conditions across DFW. Dallas 81 degrees and partly cloudy, Fort Worth 79 degrees and partly cloudy, Arlington 79 degrees and partly cloudy, Mesquite 80 degrees and partly cloudy. Here is your local Doppler radar.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 75 for portions of North Texas and extreme southern Oklahoma, effective from Saturday afternoon until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Primary threats include numerous tornadoes and a few intense to potentially violent tornadoes expected, widespread very large hail events up to 5 inches in diameter expected, widespread damaging winds expected with isolated damaging wind gusts up to 100 miles per hour likely. Summary: numerous widely scattered tornadic supercells expected to form west of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and expected to move to the north-northeast. These supercells will be capable of producing multiple intense to potentially violent tornadoes, very large hail up to 5 inches in diameter, and widely scattered damaging winds with isolated gusts up to 100 miles per hour. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in the watch area. Do not take this lightly. Have multiple ways to receive alerts and stay weather aware until the watch expires.
Wow. It looks like storms are strengthening a lot sooner than expected, right?
Yeah, no doubt about that. The storms were expected to blow up at around 3 p.m. Central Time, but it looks like it happened 30 minutes sooner. Wait, zoom in to Tarrant County really quickly. I think I see a debris ball. Oh yeah,
Oh my goodness.
no, this is not
Wow.
good. I am very surprised there isn't even a tornado warning with this storm.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Tarrant County in north-central Texas, southern Denton County in north-central Texas, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Edge Cliff Village, or near Forest Hill, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Fort Worth around 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Haltom City and North Richland Hills around 2:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Watauga and Keller around 3:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Trophy Club around 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Welcome back to DFW News as we have some breaking news for y'all. A large tornado has been confirmed by radar, and I'm just speechless from what I see on radar. This is a large, possibly destructive tornado going right through downtown Fort Worth.
Unfortunately, we do not have live video cameras from the area, as this tornado has taken out pretty much all the power in Tarrant County, but we are getting reports that storm chasers are confirming this to be a very large mile-wide tornado. Oh my God. Welcome back to DFW News as we unfortunately have another serious situation unfolding in Kaufman County, Texas, where we are getting reports of a large tornado down southwest of the city of Kaufman via storm chasers, prompting the National Weather Service in Fort Worth to issue a PDS tornado warning, or particularly dangerous situation tornado warning.
Yes, Julia, this is a life-threatening situation for the city of Kaufman. That whole city needs to be underground if they can. If you cannot, get inside of a sturdy structure, go to the lowest floor, and get to the most interior room of that structure. This tornado is not one that you want to play around with. You can be seriously injured, or worse, if you are not sheltered, and oh my goodness, I do not like the look of that newest scan. This is going right through the center of Kaufman. That just made me sick to my stomach. I have no words. Pray for the people of Kaufman, Texas.
Tornado emergency for Kaufman. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for central Kaufman County in north-central Texas until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over Kaufman, or over Oak Grove, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Kaufman. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Kaufman around 3:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Welcome back to DFW News, where we likely just saw a catastrophe happen in the city of Kaufman, Texas, a decently sized town to the southeast of Dallas, because of a very large tornado that just went through there. We will probably hear some very bad news out of Kaufman here shortly, so we do advise viewer discretion, at your own risk. A tornado emergency was declared for the town a couple of minutes ago, and will go for another 5 minutes before expiring at 3:30. But there is still a PDS tornado warning for the area until 4 p.m., so if you are in Kaufman County, stay sheltered until 4 p.m.
Welcome back to DFW News, as we continue to track this just horrible event that is taking place in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We have seen multiple tornadoes in the area today, including two very notable and memorable ones, them being the one hitting downtown Fort Worth, and the extremely intense one that hit Kaufman. Just a terrible event today, and it is still going on.
Yeah, and it doesn't look like it's gonna stop for another hour or so, as the cold front is coming in from the west. You guys can't really see it on the screen right now, but it is to the west of Fort Worth, and is expected to rapidly move to the east and hopefully put an end to this supercellular event. Now, we thankfully only have one supercell that looks somewhat ready to produce a tornado, which we have seen what seems to be easy for these cells today. And this one looks to be heading right for downtown Dallas. That is not good.
Yeah, that is a worst-case scenario if I've ever seen one. And it looks like we just got a new tornado warning. Oh. My gosh. Not again. We don't need another downtown area getting hit by another violent tornado. This is a worst-case scenario if you are in Dallas County. Get underground now. You have seen what these storms are capable of today. This is no joke.
Tornado emergency for Dallas and DeSoto. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for extreme northern Ellis County in north-central Texas, Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over DeSoto, or 14 miles south of Dallas, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Dallas and DeSoto. This is a possible mass casualty situation. Get underground now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near DeSoto around 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cockrell Hill in Dallas around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. University Park in Highland Park around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a deadly tornado is on the ground. Get underground now. If you can't, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Welcome back to DFW News. We are tracking this very unfortunate situation as a giant, killer tornado makes its way just east of downtown Dallas, sadly completely destroying multiple homes and buildings down in the DeSoto area.
Yeah, and we actually just got a message that there has already been 11 people who have tragically passed from this unbelievable tornado, and it looks like all of those fatalities happened around the DeSoto area, and where the tornado crossed from Ellis County into Dallas County. We pray that everyone else in the path of this makes it out harmless. I can't even comprehend this is even happening right now. Such a tragic situation. This day will definitely go down in the record books.
Our condolences go out to anyone affected today by this terrible event.